question number 10. The albedo of an atmosphere over a small region of Earth's surface is 0.25. So the Earth, and it's a small region, and the albedo here is seen to be 0.25. So your alpha value. Okay. The solar constant is yes. Solar constant is yes for the surface. What is the incoming intensity of the solar radiation incident on this region when the sun is directly over it? Okay. In this region, what is happening? We are not worried about this one, because now this is the atmospheric region over here. Now, what do you mean by this? The alpha. It tells you I scattered divided by I incident by definition is equal to 0.2. When it says solar constant, what is solar constant? Solar constant is nothing but the power of the incident sunlight over a given area. This is nothing but a solar constant. Okay. So therefore, this is nothing but your I incident. Okay. So I can replace this one with yes, so which implies I scattered is equal to 0.25 times yes, which means what? Some yes value is coming out here, but unfortunately 0.25 yes is now getting reflected. Okay. So what is the remaining over here? That's what is asking here. Incoming intensity of solar radiation incident on this region. What is that incident on this region? This one is now blocking 0.25 yes, and what is now present over here? Yes minus yes by yes minus 0.25 yes. What is it? 0.75 yes. 0.75 yes is only coming to the surface, or maybe it is incident onto it. The rest of 0.25 yes has been thrown out, right? So what is the correct answer? Yes by 4.